Wanted to give you a little video on the SOB TAC-WALL today, show you some of the features and how everything goes together. This is a single TAC-WALL shield. Actual dimensions are 22 by 48 for this one. We've also got a 56-inch high version, give you a little extra height. With that one you can get a viewport option, gun port option as well. Most TAC-WALLs you can buy as individual panels, so one shield at a time, except in some of the special order configurations. Standard configuration is a 3-shield set, so that's going to give you coverage of 60 by 48 in this configuration, 60 by 56 if you go with the 56-inch high model. When you order a 3-shield set, you also get the hard case like you see here, and some of these other accessories that I'm going to show you. So they're included in the set, save a little bit of money that way. So on the back side, you can see here we've got 3 M-LOK rails on the back of the TAC-WALL, and that's where all your accessories attach to. So you've got your kickstand here, which as you can see makes that a freestanding shield. Your handles, if you have the vehicle attachment system, which is optional, everything just pops into those QD swivels. Yeah, so no loose nuts and bolts to fiddle with. You can reconfigure this thing however you want. Your handle, configure it for left, right hand use, however you want it. Now, I'll show you on the front of this too. As with all SOB armor systems, SOB shields, all the external hardware, especially the bolt faces, if you get a viewport, everything's going to be ballistically rated to the same level as the armor itself. So this one's actually a level 3 system, which means your bolt faces are level 3 as well. So now I'm going to show you how these things link together. What I'm going to do, it's usually easiest to start from right, move to left if you can, because as you see you've got a pin here. On the other side of the TAC-WALL you've got a hole, the hole's going to pop on top of the pin. So usually easiest if you go right to left, just a little tip there. So, get that set there. I'm going to grab my next one. Typically I do this from the other side. I'll do it from this side so you can see what's going on. Okay, pops on just like that. Now these poles, the kickstands, are adjustable in length, so you can get them to, on whatever slope you happen to be on there. All right, next shield here. Line up the holes, pop it on. Simple as that. I like to lift that middle one if I'm using 3. It just makes it easier to balance this thing out. It's still, it's still plenty stable. You've also got a lock on here on each one of these. We suggest you lock those in. That keeps those things from coming out of the pins. Now you've got a 3-shield setup. When you buy a 3-shield setup, also something you can buy optionally, you got the crossbar system, which gives you a bar, so you can carry this whole thing all in one system. So once again, nice little piece of hardware there with a QD swivel on it. So that's going to pop right into one of those sockets. Then you've got your crossbar. That slides in like that. Now this is a rigid crossbar based on feedback we got when we were designing this. Operators wanted a solid crossbar, a nice rigid crossbar. It's got a gap, 3 to 4 inches between the bar and the shields, so keeps your knuckles from banging into things. I recommend that you use a couple people to lift this. Makes it easier, but since there's only one of me here, I'll show you how it holds it. So you can carry the whole system using that bar or that crossbar, and then move it around as one unit. And that's the tack wall. I think I covered everything. I'm sure I missed something, so if you got questions, please ask. Send us a message or give us a call. Be happy to help you out.